Hello, everybody. How are you all? Hope you all are taking care of yourself at this quarantine. So, today my reading is all about my Scorpion people. Okay, at November, what is going on with you in November for love and career? So, let's see what is there. Okay, Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for my Scorpions at November. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for my Scorpions at in November for love and career. What is there for my Scorpions in love and career in November? Angel Spirit, please guide me for November in love and in career for them. The Hermit. Okay, I feel like you guys are in totally rest mode. You don't want to even work right now, Scorpions, and you are being too lazy. Okay, you are not able to take a decision properly. You don't want to make a movement also for that, and you just want to delay whatever is coming to you. You are just not taking it right now. What is there for my Scorpions in November for love? Okay, I got 2 cards more. There is a 10 of Cups and a Tower moment. I feel like you had a breakup with this person and now they want a happy family with you. Okay, guys, because there is a 10 of Cups and a Tower moment together. Okay, you had a breakup in the past with this person, and this person could be vice versa in same mode as you. Okay, I'm having a feeling of Pisces, Cancer here. Your own sun sign could be here with you. They are in Hangman energy too. They are not taking moment at all for you with the marriage, but they want to marry you guys. They want a happy family with you, Scorpion people. As you have a Tower moment before, but right now you can be in a Hangman energy, or your person could be in Hangman energy, guys. Okay, but definitely you will be getting married soon, Scorpions. Most of you Scorpions are not having a good time right now. I can't see any good vibes right now. People have totally like sabotage you from everywhere, and mostly you are having a politics in your life regarding everything, whether it's a love or career. You are not taking any moment in anything right now, चाहे आपका career हो या आपका love हो. Let's see what is more there for in love and career. Angel Spirit, please guide me what is there for Scorpions in love and career. Okay, I feel there will be a communication will be coming towards to you from any of your person you are thinking of. Okay, guys, whether it could be of past, or for some it could be a new person. For others, you are getting out of this karmic situation and this new person will approach you for commitment. Okay, guys, Scorpions. Okay, this could be Aries, again Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra. For others, you have to take a big decision, guys. Universe is with you, Scorpion, so you not need to scare. They are just guiding you. You will definitely get married soon, and definitely you will get what you want. Universe is with you regarding anything you are thinking of regarding career or love. You may be addicted to this person, or this person may be addicted towards to you, guys, or your job is very addictive towards to you. So take what resonate. It is all over. I'm taking all energy, guys. Okay, you have to leave your past, guys. You have to let go your past. You are not leaving your past. You are not moving on. Just let go and take your decision very wisely. Everything is in your hands, Scorpions. Whatever has happened with you has happened. You have to just let go. You have to get out of this hermit mode. Okay, you can't be moody all time, Scorpions. Okay, there will be definitely a celebration at the end. Okay, Scorpion, so it is, everything is in your hands. Overall, I feel like there is not some, but it is, I am having a feeling, but for most of you, you will deal with a new person. For others, it could be a person from a past. Okay, you are going through a karmic cycle right now. What is there for my Scorpion in love for November? What is there for my Scorpions in love for November? Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Scorpions in love for November? Okay, I'm already getting 2 cards here. I feel like you will be having a good chemistry again with this person if this person comes to you. For others, your new love is coming, Scorpions. So you will be having a very, very lovey-dovey chemistry with this person. Okay, guys? There's a strong magnetic attraction between you both. Okay, guys? See how they are. They will be caring towards to you. And see, again, there will be a lots of romance when this person will come over you. Okay, your feelings are real and worth exploring. You could be real from this person, or this person could be more real to you. What they are, they will be in front of you. They will not hide anything from you, Scorpions. Okay, whosoever is coming, just accept them in love. Okay, see, you will have heart to heart conversation. As I told, there is a communication card, so you will be having a big communication with them. Okay, so congratulations, Scorpions. Let's see what is overall in love and career for November. What is there for Scorpions in November for love and career? Rebirth. I feel like you had a breakup, but again now there will be some rebirth. There will be a spiritual awakening with this person or someone new. You could be in a fire energy again with this person, or this could come back to you in a fiery way, like energetically way. Your mind could be stuck regarding whatever you are dealing with, regarding your career or love. It will be definitely will be fulfilled, guys. So you do not need to worry. Keep on dreaming about whatever you are dreaming regarding your dreams. Okay, guys, career, love, because everything will be just get fulfilled. Whatever you're thinking, universe is with you, guys, Scorpions. You just have to make a big decision now. Everything is in your hands. Okay, Scorpions, you don't have to live in exhaustion. You are in totally exhaustion. You are showing world something else and you are something else right now. There is lots of adventure coming in your life, so you don't have to worry. You just have to make a final decision. There is no ending of your life, Scorpions. Life is just on for you, guys. Okay, so bye bye, everyone. Take care of yourself. Hope you all liked my reading. If anything resonated with you, do comment below section, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Okay, everybody, bye bye. Love you all. Bye bye.